Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit of the Leibovit VR newsletters, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial here on Tradestation for Monday, March 27th. We're going to be looking at the Dow Jones via the DIA. As a reminder, we do have a series of products here at Leibovit VR newsletters. The Vice letter is our newest, and we're just launching it this last week with a special. If you go to our website, you could check it out. Meanwhile, we offer our Silver letter, which is our daily market commentary, our VR Platinum, which covers daily market commentary plus specific recommendations. The VR Gold letter covers precious metals, crude oil, and our annual forecast model is our annual cyclical report for the major markets. And don't forget about our Trader's Book of Volume, which is a definitive guide to volume trading. And certainly don't forget about our indicator here at the Trading App Store. There is a free trial, and after that it's $95 a month. We have three versions of the volume reversal. The sequential, which posts all the volume reversals, and that's what I'll be showing you here in these videos. We have the directional version, which filters out repetitive volume reversals, and the two-day version, which operates on the premise that following a negative volume reversal or a positive volume reversal, you tend to get movement in the direction of the volume reversal for a couple trading days. Jumping into the charts, let's look at the DIA. We were long the indexes last week at our vrtrader.com service, which is the Platinum service, and we did generate a negative VR on Tuesday the 24th, which I often talk about as being a turnaround Tuesday, and indeed it was a turnaround. Negative VR came in, we exited our positions, and we had a big sell-off this week. As you can see, the 533 stochastic was in a downtrend, and as I've said in previous recordings, this is sort of a double check that I like to bounce off the VR. It's not carved in stone. I may take trades without it, but this sort of reinforces that momentum had turned down, so you had some confirmation here. Volume declined to the downside here into the low on Thursday, so we might get a bounce out of here. But until I get a positive VR and the stochastics turned up, I'm not that interested in jumping in on the long side quite yet. But stay tuned to our other service at vrtrader.com, and if we decide to take a trade, we will. But right now, I want to point out the VR and how it implements our thinking and our trading. And there's a great correlation here if you look at the screen, how the VRs generally create follow through. Now here's an example here that we did not take, this negative ER that I'm circling here. Why? Because we had a rising stochastic at that time, and you've already experienced a decline. I like catching negative ERs off tops. I like to catch positive ERs off little corrective bottoms. So it's a question of using a little common sense here as well. But the bottom line rule is negative ER, downtrending stochastic, as we saw last week. So as a reminder, here we go at the traders. Let me get back to this visual here. The Trading App Store, you have a place to sign up. I encourage you to do so. This indicator has served me well for multi-decades, and I think it'll be a great benefit in your arsenal of indicators for trading. Thank you again for checking in. This is Mark Leibovit at the Leibovit VR newsletters. Have a great day.